Hello developers, welcome back to DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briota, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and this week on DevKit Weekly we are going to take a look at the QuickConnect Beginners Kit from Renesas. Renesas says that the QuickConnect Beginners Kit is designed to offer a user-friendly entry point into the company's QuickConnect Platform, which is basically its easy plug-and-play platform for boards and kits. This kit includes several boards, and all of them are supported through the QuickConnect Studio software. Beautiful little package and box, and take a look at what we've got. There is a detailed instructions sheet here, and you can see, if I open this up, all the boards included here. We've got a cable right here for linking up to your laptop, and an RA6E2 board right there with a 200 megahertz Arm Cortex-M33 general purpose MCU. It's got a Wi-Fi connectivity module, a SmartBond tiny BLE module, humidity and temperature sensor board, that's what we're looking at here, TVOC gas sensor board, Ozone and NO2 gas sensor board, and a digital audio sensor board. That's what all these boards are here. They all sort of plug into the various ports that we've got there. With this wide selection of boards and sensor setups, this kit is ideal for fast prototyping. I mean, that's what it's built for, obviously. The kit is obviously designed to be modular as well. All the boards are set up with standard PMOD connectors, and the software development and hardware integration are laid out to make them as easy and as simple as possible for anyone out there doing some prototyping, building, playing around, trying to make something work. Renesas says that users can create projects using AWS MQTT sample applications and gather real-time data from all the included sensors or any other PMOD connected sensors that they want. Look, there's not really much more to say here except that Renesas really has knocked it out of the park with this. There's a robust online library of resources to explore as well, so you can find those at the link below and check all that out too. If you're trying to prototype a new IoT product or solution, or you're trying to learn just basic embedded computing, this could be a really great way to get started. If you want to find out more about the Renesas QuickConnect Beginners Kit, you should absolutely go and check out the link in the description for everything that you get here. It's not even that expensive. Please like and share this video and make sure that you're subscribed so you never miss an episode of any of our shows, including DevKit Weekly, Embedded Toolbox, or the weekly news program in case you missed it, Embedded Insights, that I do every Friday. If you want to keep up with all the news in Embedded, make sure you visit us at embeddedcomputing.com every single day. We're always posting news all the time. And follow us on our socials, especially LinkedIn. We do most of our work over there. All those links are down in the description. That is all for this edition of DevKit Weekly. I've been Ken Briota with Embedded Computing Design and your host as always. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you on the next edition of DevKit Weekly.